I'm recording. Here we are at North Coast Parasail and Water Sports at our favorite place in the world, the lovely Cedar Point. And today, what are we doing?
We are parasailing. Going up 800 feet.
Yeah, on this windy, crazy, choppy, look at the water. There's no one in the water. What the hell? I'm scared, you guys.
Said he's scared. I'm a little nervous, but I'm turned for it. I'm gonna record while we out there though. I got this so y'all can see what's going on. I'm gonna try to talk to y'all up there.
I'm gonna get off here and call my kids because I'm scared as hell.
Oh yeah, let's talk again.
So yeah, my couple kids say I love you. Just in case anything happens to me, this is the last time I was recorded. I love my family and my.
Alright guys, I'm putting my jacket on because I know it's gonna be cold up there. But we're getting on this boat. I think he done gassed up. About to get on. About to go. Hopefully I can hold my camera up there because I don't know how it's gonna be. I'm starting my recording right now. Why we gotta do it one at a time? Oh, the weight? Alright.
I put too much weight in the chute. Right, you have a seat.
Oh, have a seat?
Don't worry about you going in the water.
Alright.
Not about you flying up there. It's about that last 10 feet getting you on the boat. What happens if there's too much air?
Want to be out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Woo! I'm scared as a mug, but it's pretty cool. Just floating up in the air. The boat getting farther and farther away. But it's cool with me. Can you see the water? I wish I could be up here with my wife, but I can't. Woo! I'm going high, boy. Shit. I'm scared, more scared to drop my phone than anything. Look at this, but look at that. Look at that. Woo! I don't know if you can even see how high I am. I think it's 800 feet. I don't fucking know. But look how far the boat is. Look at my toes. It's so cool to do stuff like this though, man. Y'all gotta experience the world, bro. Experience things. Don't be scared. Don't let your fear take over. Just do that shit, man. Look at all this water, bro. Look at them motherfucking birds. I'm over the birds. I think I got pee though. God damn, y'all seem to be higher. Oh my God. Oh my God. Don't let me in the water. Don't let me in the water. Oh, I'm going in the water.
And look, he's like, oh, I'm going in the water.
Woo! Y'all fucking with me.
Let me in.
It was fun, but that shit. My dear wife is leaving.
Wow, this is fucking cool. I'm up here, Mike's down there. We didn't get to come together, unfortunately. But you guys, this is amazing. Wow. All I can say is wow. I'm so glad that we decided to do this. Wow, look at me. So we did the one with 800 feet of tow line. I have the best view of Cedar Point right now. I'm gonna switch around. Wow! Look at that view! Wow! I'm going high! Wow! I'm so high, you guys! Holy shit! Look at the park! The guy down there said he's allowed to legally go up to 400 feet. So I hope that's where he's taking me. Woo! Look, there they are. There's the park, you guys. Holy crap! Woo! Wow! Okay, I'm gonna stop recording because I want to just enjoy this moment.
My baby up there. My baby up there.
All right, you guys, point of view. You are parasailing at Cedar Point, America's roller coaster, capital of the world. Oh my gosh, this is a freaking dream. Look at that beautiful sight. Oh my goodness. Look at that little tiny boat down there. Little teeny tiny boat. Where'd it go? Little teeny tiny boat. Wow. Wow. All right, you guys, I'm gonna try to give you a live action video of me landing on the back of the boat. So I'm gonna flip my view around and then y'all are gonna get to see what I see. Woo!